creating themes for the ads. That way I can stay on theme and also keep my test a lot more narrow. So when one of them wins, I can know why it won, and I can learn something about Facebook ads, which will give me more knowledge in the future, right? So here's another example of a theme that I created. So this theme of these ads was quit your job. So no matter what variation I made, I always made sure that the theme of the ad was that you can quit your job and become a social media director, right? That's the theme. This ad here won, not the girl, right? Shows that I'm way cooler than that girl. All right, this theme here is upgrade your skills. Which one do you think won? All right, t-shirt. I like the t-shirt too. We didn't print any t-shirts this year, I'm sorry, next year. This theme here is travel the world. Which one do you think won? Right, it was tied, right? Both of them performed really well. Okay, so what you do is by creating themes, it makes it a lot easier to actually write the ads. Right? That was the reason why I originally started with themes. But then I started realizing there was a lot more benefits to this. By the way, if you're trying to find ad ideas, there's a site here. It's called addicted.io. Okay, and this is a search engine for Facebook ads. And you guys got to write it down right now. It's not in your workbooks. And I refuse to answer any emails or any conversations at all about what this URL was. All right? You must write it down right now. Do not ask me what it is. I do not know how to spell this. I always have to look it up. It's called Addicted, and it's spelled weird. Horrible domain name. But this is where I go for ideas for ads. You can look at your competitors, that sort of thing. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to create an ad set. An ad set is an audience, and you're going to have theme number 1, and you're going to create 4 ads. Then you're going to create another theme. And these themes, by the way, how I find a lot of these themes is I actually go to competitor sites and I look at what is their positioning, what is their marketing, what are they saying? And I just try to get some ideas. And again, it's not about trying to steal their copy, it's just trying to come up with an easy formula for writing the ads, right? Because when I say upgrade your skills, and that's my theme, it's a lot easier to just write an ad, ask a question that's just based around that topic, right? It just becomes way faster to write these. Plus, you end up learning a lot about your audience, right? So one example is one time we were doing a theme around like travel the world, and I remember we did a test where we stayed to the theme of travel the world, but we switched out only one word from the text version, which was going from freelancer to digital nomad. Which one do you think won? Really? Well, you guys are interesting. So I've been using freelancer in my marketing for years. I thought people didn't know what a digital nomad was, so I tested it. And digital nomad did win by a long shot, right? So there's certain things like that. By sticking to the theme, it limited my restriction on what I could change, because I had to stay on theme. But I had to change something, right? So just by creating a lot of ads, you're gonna get more results, because it's like lottery tickets, right? You're just printing off your own lottery tickets, and one of your ads might be a winner.